Morning, hello, and this is our last full day before Christmas. So if you're seeing this video, Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year. So we're going to get on to what we're doing now. So perfect time of the year to have this complaint. Now, you guys have probably worked it out if you've seen this before. The car's got no heat. It's a 2019 2-litre diesel GTD, and it's freezing cold inside. So coolant is good condition, but that has been messed around with by another garage. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but it's got no heat. We've got a block matrix, so I've diagnosed that, and that is the crack. So it's having the flush today. I'm not going to show it on camera because that's proper boring, that is. So by the point you see in this video, that'll all be done, and the car will be nice and toasty hot. If you're not 100% sure what I'm doing now, just pop it down in the comments. Tell me your experiences. Let's have a listen to what you've done and how you've diagnosed it and all this good stuff. And as you can see, we've got a heater matrix. And that's the fitting kit as well, guys. So I'm going to show you the part number. So it is 5WA815155, and this is specific to this heater matrix, or heater core, or heater exchange, or whatever you want to call it. So there's two variants on this. I'm not going to give you too much information because you'll need to find out what's for your car. Two variants, so there'll be two fitting kits, two different heater cores. All right. So the heater core we're after, as you can see, I've got the glove box out. And I've got the tools I've used down here, just so I can show you guys just what tools I've used and what you're going to need. This helps me, so not everyone uses the same stuff. I get that. So I use a T20 on an impact. DeWalt, just won't die, by the way, guys. So that is testimony in itself. The DeWalt with a T20 Torx. I've got a T20 Torx mid, and I've got a T20 long. Right, these are going to help you get these bolts out, guys. And that's a T15. Again, so T15, T20 you're gonna need, and that's to get the glove box out and the air induct pipe out that goes here. So there's an air pipe there, and you're gonna need a long T20 because there's a bolt that goes into that hole just up there, but you have to go all the way through the where the radio unit is to get to it. So you need a long one, and then of course some radio keys, guys, to get the actual radio unit out. So now we're talking tools. Definitely get a torch as well and some coolant, and keep dry down there. So I've protected the customer's car. We've got blue roll underneath it. I have blown the core out already, so there shouldn't be any or much coolant in there. So I do protect it with blue roll and plastic bags. You got to look after the customer on this. So I'm going to get to swapping that out, which is just here. There you can see the pipe. One pipe there, and a cover. So I'm going to bring you back when I've got that out, and we'll show you the old and the new and just what's going on. So 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, I kind of forgot to mention, guys, as well, that you will probably need to take some. You don't have to, but you'll see here I've got the heater matrix to a point, but it's getting stuck on the heater motor, so you can push that in, so that slides in and out. That's dead easy, that one. So we just need to pop this heater motor out. We'll try and do it with one-handed. I mean, it could be a nightmare here. So you don't need any extra tools either, from what I've already said you need. T20s to get that out, and then there's these little clips there. Just got to be really careful you don't break them. I have got a little scutcherer tool here. Just be, again, right careful when you do it. And remember, there's blades on the inside of the fan. Lovely. She's beautiful. So you can just take the fan out of the way and just pop that out of the way, and you get loads of room. And then just move this air pipe. You can just shove this up here. It's flexible. Just get him out of the way. The less you're in your way, the better. And it should, in theory, again doing it one-handed, for pure entertainment purposes, guys, should actually hold one out. See that in there? It's proper crusty and horrible. So obviously that's genuine to the car. That's not been changed. So literally, once you've got that fan housing out, you could just slide the old heater core out, and that's it. So there is a part number on here, guys. I will get you that. So this is a Valio unit. So there's two units. This is Valio. So this is a 5QO819031B, and there will be a date on there somewhere. If you can see it, point it out in the comments. And then we have the new one. Oh, and again, you have to use like for like on these. So this is another Valio unit, and it's a still a 5QO819031B, but it's nice and clear inside there. So that's what we want. So I'm going to slide this in now. I'm going to use two hands again for this, so I'll bring you back in just to slide it in and show you just how dead easy it is. Oh, it was a silly goose. You know when you get distracted, right, and someone comes over and talks to you, and you forget to film. So I've got the new matrix back in, so here's the bottom of it, and there's a cover on there. I'm literally just now going to change the seals over for these pipes, so I'll show you these pipes here and get them out. It's a two-handed job. Anyway, you'll see the seal for that one there. So just that black seal, just near my finger. So we're going to change them over. Like I say, I've got the genuine fitting kit. So we're not going to struggle with any new parts. So new clips, new seals. I'll get them bolted on and I'll bring you back for the final product and job done. And there we are, guys. So heater matrix is in. Full cover's bolted up. We've got new gaskets on the inside, new rubber seals, new clamps. Same again up there. New clamp, new seal. Heater motor's back in and plugged in. I've just got one air induction pipe or air pipe to go there. Put the glove box back in and bleed her up, guys. So that's it. They're not that bad to do. A little bit fiddly, but you don't really need too many tools. It's just T20s and T15s really. Other than that, guys, hope this has helped. It's just a simple bleeding up process that I've got to do now, but I am doing computer led one as well, so it does both high and low coolant system, so I'll get all the air out of it. So let me know in the comments if you need any more guidance in that, guys, and we'll get you sorted. So love you, bye.